In the fiber optic industry, accurate diagnostic reporting is crucial to any operation, whether installing a brand new network, troubleshooting an existing network, or after network repairs have been made. Connected Fiber is able to ensure that your network is optimized to its fullest potential by running reports such as bidirectional power meter and splice location data reports. These reports help to measure loss from points A to B and B to A within your fiber optic network. Reports include splice name, GPS address, total splices, case type, cable counts, number of trays, cable tick marks, and direction of origin and endpoints. Diagnostic reporting is essential in any industry using fiber optics. Connected Fiber has worked with schools, universities, hospitals, Homeland Security, government agencies, the military, cable TV and cell phone providers, and everything in between. In the past, there have been situations where entire phone systems have been down, preventing people from connecting to 911 emergency services. A situation such as this could have been avoided if the proper tests were run. Upon completion of your diagnostic report, Connected Fiber will provide you with a complete paper and digital copy that will outline any issues and provide peace of mind that your system is running to its fullest potential.